Uh, Hello, grade 9s. Welcome to part 2 of parallel lines. This is our first example that we'll do for part 2. So you are having this, you are given 5x minus 40 degrees, 2x plus 20 degrees. Obviously, you need to have a statement as well as the reason. In this case, as you can see, you are having two lines that cross each other. That means this angle and this angle are equal, and then we call those angles vertically opposite angles. So the statement in this case will be 5x minus 40 degrees is equals to 2x plus 20 degrees. And then our reason will be vertically opposite angles. Then from here, we need to transpose 2x into our left-hand side. That means we'll bring down 5x as it is, and then we transpose 2 to our left-hand side. It will be negative 2x equals to, bring down 20 degrees, transpose 40 into our right-hand side. It will be positive 40 degrees. And then 5x minus 2x, we are getting 3x equals to, and then 20 plus 40, we are getting 60 degrees. We need to solve for x. That means we must get rid of 3. We divide by 3. What we do on our left hand side, we also do on our right hand side. 60 divided by 3, we are getting 20 degrees. This is the value of x. And then for the second one, we are given line PQ as well as line RS. Those two lines are parallel. As you can see with the arrows, they do indicate with arrows to show that your lines are parallel. And then we are having a statement and a reason. We need to calculate the value of x and calculate the value of y. So if you follow my hand, you can see you are having a U facing that direction. And if you remember, U is co-interior angles. So your statement will be x minus 10 degrees plus 105 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. The reason will be co-interior angles because line PQ is parallel to RS. Alright, then we are solving for x. If you can see, you bring down x as it is, you are having negative 10 degrees plus 105 degrees. When you press that, you must get positive 95 degrees equals to 180 degrees. You bring down x equals to 180 degrees. We are transposing 95 into our right hand side. This side it is positive. When you transpose, it will be negative 95 degrees. Then x is equals to 180 minus 95 is 85 degrees. This is the value of x. Now we need to calculate the value of y. So if you follow my hand like that, you can see it forms a Z shape. Or some of you can say angles on a straight line. You sum up those two equals to 180, which is adjacent angles on a straight line. I'll go with the one for alternating, meaning I'll have y minus 25 degrees is equals to 105 degrees. My reason will be alternating angles because PQ is parallel to RS. Okay, you bring down y as it is equals to, you're having 105 degrees. When you transpose negative 25 into your right hand side, it will be positive 25 degrees. And then you're having y is equals to 105 plus 25. We are getting 130 degrees. So this is our value of y. And then I'm having this one. So for this one, again, we need to calculate the value of y and the value of x. All right. So you are having your statement and your reason. So for your statement and your reason, you check if you follow my hand like that, you are getting an F facing upwards. And remember, we said the F shape is the corresponding angle. So this is our F. You are having an angle below the line, an angle below the line. They are equal, meaning you will have 2x plus 10 degrees is equals to 50 degrees, which is corresponding angles. And then PQ is parallel to RS, because they did indicate with those arrows to show that our lines are parallel. Now we are solving for x. You bring down 2x as it is equals to 50 degrees. You bring it down and then you transpose 10 to your right hand side. It will be negative 10. And then 2x is equals to 40 degrees. You are solving for x, so we need to get rid of the 2. How do we get rid of a 2? We divide by 2 both sides, and then x is equals to 20 degrees. All right, so now we need to calculate the value of y. Okay, so if you follow my hand like that, can you see we are having the N shape? We said the N shape or the Z shape goes with alternating angles, meaning this angle and that angle are equal. So you will have y plus 40 degrees is equals to 3y minus 20 degrees. Your reason will be alternating angles, PQ parallel to RS. So if you check on your y, you are having variable, on your left you are having variable y, on your right you're also having y. So we need to make sure that we are having all the variables on one side and all the constant values on one side. So what we'll do is we'll have our constant values on our left hand side and the variables on our right hand side. So you bring down 40 on your right hand side as it is. We are transposing 20 to our left hand side. When we transpose it on our left, it is on our right it is negative. When we transpose it to our left, it's going to be positive 20 degrees equals to, you bring down 3y, transpose y to your right hand side, it will be negative y. 40 plus 20, it is 60 degrees. 3y minus y, it is 2y. You are solving for y, you just want the coefficient of 1 for your y, so you divide by 2. What you do on your right, you also do on your left. And then this and this cancels, you are left with y. 60 over 2, it is 30 degrees. This is your y value. Thank you for watching this video.